Hello everyone, welcome back to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to cancel your Apple News subscription directly from your iPhone. First things first, let's open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name at the very top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Next, you'll want to tap on Subscriptions. It might take a few seconds to load, but you'll eventually see a list of all your active subscriptions. Now, locate and tap on the Apple News subscription that's currently active. This will bring you to a screen that gives you an overview of your subscription details. To cancel, simply tap the Cancel Subscription button. Apple will then show you some cancellation information, so read through this carefully. Make sure you understand what you're agreeing to. Once you're ready, click on Confirm. After a few seconds, your Apple News subscription will be successfully canceled. You can now go back to using your iPhone just as you normally would. And that's all there is to it. Pretty easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching FixZone.